swimming. Where's he at? Oh, he's right there. He's on the wood. That's cool.
You got a new fish.
John, get him out of the corner over there. Right in that corner. Don't be slow, get in there.
Where is he?
In the corner, right in that corner. The one.
What are you doing?
What the hell are you doing, man? Inside the pond.
Inside the pond? Oh. See him? Yeah.
Get the fuck out of there. Motherfucker.
Where is he?
He's right there on the tree, on the aloe thing. Oh. Kill him.
John, you are some kind of homo. Don't mush him. There you go. Give him there you go. Send him to the deep end. Wait there, John. All right. Where's everybody? Where's all the guys? Oh, the big guy there's a big guy on just lifting. Right.
Oh. I want to see this. Come on.
Oh man, they get tired fast.
Oh, come on.
Oh, that's the biggest one.
Oh, he sees him. Oh, shit!
It is already. Oh, there is hanging out.
Oh, that's.
Oh man, he couldn't see him that whole time because of bad eyes.
Yeah, I know.
Holy crap! Well, the guy's got to tear him in half, didn't he? No. Look at his tail going back and forth.
Yeah, I know.
That's awesome.
There it goes, guys. Arowana eats lizard.
That's the title. In the drop-by pond. He's just showing off now, ain't he?
You know what I think? It's like predatory shit. Like he's probably waiting for him to die, to drown, and then chew him up.
He's gonna wait too long to go. He's the boss of the pond, though. Whoa! You see that? The little one went for his head.
Oh, he's eating it.
The little one's going back for some more. He's been real aggressive to the big one lately. Look at that. He's muscling up on him. Oh, shoot. Oh, man, that little one is tough. Look at that. He's up now. They are all around his mouth now, man.
Oh, he took it down.
He just took it, yep.
Yeah, he took it down. Oh, yeah, he took it down.